How to live stream on YouTube Shorts feed. Hey there, welcome to our channel. YouTube has recently launched a new update where creators can do live streams particularly in YouTube Shorts feed, similar to TikTok Live. In today's video, I will walk you through the simple steps to go live on YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. First and foremost, open up the YouTube app on your mobile device. At the very bottom of the screen, tap on the plus icon, then select Go Live from the menu. Before proceeding, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for YouTube Shorts feed live streaming. You should have at least 50 subscribers, no live streaming restrictions within the last 90 days, and your channel should be verified with a national ID. If you are eligible, you will see this page. Over here, tap on Get Started. Set up the live stream settings. In the title section, write appropriate title. I will write How to live stream on YouTube Shorts feed. I will set the visibility to unlisted. Make sure you set it to public so everyone could see it. Then select your audience. I will select second option as it is not made for kids. Toggle on Go Live Together if you have guests. Right now I don't have any guests, so I will toggle it off. Add a description if needed. Select the country if you are targeting a specific location audience. Like in the search bar, you can type USA and select the country. Accordingly, you can also select the location of your target audience. If you wish to screencast, then you can toggle it on. For now, I don't want it, so I will let it as it is. You can also schedule a live for later so that your audience will be notified and hype will be created for your live to begin. There are further advanced settings to customize your live stream. Tap on Advanced Settings, allow chats, reaction and paid promotions if necessary. Then comes the important part. Tap on Orientation. Make sure you have selected vertical so that your streams are shown in the shorts and vertical live feeds. If you select horizontal, you will be doing live stream in traditional way and your streams won't be shown in shorts and vertical live feeds. So make sure you have selected vertical. Once everything's done, come back and tap on Next. If you have a specific thumbnail, you can add it using the pencil icon. Finally, tap on Go Live. It will take some time. You can close this pop-up. And boom, you have successfully live streamed on YouTube Shorts feed in vertical format. Enjoy engaging with your audience in this new and exciting way. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.